Good morning, Anthony and Amy here again from Paul Fraser Collectibles and Just Collecting. We've just had another package delivered, and I know what's in this one. It's coins that we've been expecting for a while. I don't know what type of coin, so I thought we'd open it and show you a couple this morning. God, there's loads. We'll start with these, shall we? Okay. Do you want to open a couple? Well, let's have a look what this is. Oh, we'll start with that one. Do you want to show that one at the screen? Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so this first one here is a George II crown from the mint mark is 1743. Superb condition piece, beautiful and evenly dark toned with underlying lustre. Rare in this grade and difficult to better. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, let's have a look.
This one?
Yeah, have a look in there.
It's England Charles II.
Okay.
Very thin, this one.
Okay, this one Amy's got now is a Charles II silver sixpence from mint mark 1661. So very attractive condition, a little wear, with some blue and gold toning. That's another nice one. Okay, what else have we got? I'll open this while you do that. Oh, okay. That looks, yep, okay. This one is a William III gold guinea from 1701. The description suggests it's a good example with very little wear and an attractive specimen. Okay. And
This one?
that one, go on then, let's have a look. Don't have a description, let's have a... Okay, this one is a Henry VIII groat from... Can't quite see. 1505 Henry VIII groat, second coinage. That's a nice little piece. Okay. And the last one here.
Edward III. Oops, it's very thin as well.
That's a large one. Okay, Edward III, which is. It doesn't say what sort it is. Very good example of this large medieval gold coin. It's well struck on a particularly large flan, making not only all the legend visible, but also all the details and facial features. Okay, of the king. Right, okay, so that's just a small example of the coins that we've got coming available on our website. If you want some further information or you're interested in coins, then please do let us know by email by clicking on the address below this video. It's going to take our experts some time to describe all this lot, so please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.